Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Adirondack chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the signature design by Ashley Sundown Outdoor Adirondack Chair. If you want a pop of color in your otherwise boring backyard, then this amazingly designed signature design by Ashley Sundown Treasure Outdoor Adirondack Chair is the one for you. This Adirondack chair is available in 5 different colors and mostly designed for outdoor placement. If you need a chair with an extra bit of comfort, this one ticks all the marks. This Adirondack chair is known for its durable design, which is made using virgin density-based polyethylene material. It comes with a textured grain finish for a fine look. It is designed to shed rainwater easily and will prevent it from accumulating on its body. This product comes as multi-functional furniture. It is ideal for placing on the porch, screen patio or even outdoor deck. There are some easy-to-follow instructions available to assemble the chair. All the tools and hardware are included in the package. Moving on at number 4, we have the Outer Banks Deluxe Folding Adirondack Chair. One of the best chairs of all time and available in 21 different vibrant colors, Outer Banks Deluxe Oversized Polylumber Folding Adirondack Chair is a perfect addition to your patio. The stronger and durable frame makes it a complete choice among the masses, to say the least. It features a fully supportive frame and with hardware of number 316 stainless steel. The item is noted to be eco-friendly in nature. It is constructed using around 95% of the recycled materials, which make this item a friendly one for the environment. Convenience is another positive sign of this chair. It can be assembled easily and can be folded too for easy storage and transport. This chair is made in the USA using all the major materials to consider. There is a separate cup holder located at the right side of the chair, in case you have a beer can or a glass of water by your side. It comes with limited lifetime warranty for residential use and 5 years commercial use warranty. At number 3, we have the Flash Furniture Charlestown All-Weather Adirondack Chair. Looking to enhance look of your backyard? Willing to spend money on a chair for your guests when you invite people over for a barbecue party? Well, you are most welcome to get in touch with Flash Furniture Charlestown All-Weather Adirondack Chair in blue faux wood and enjoy comfort at its best. Available in 8 different colors, this product is mostly termed as an Adirondack lounger. This chair is amazingly designed to cover all your needs, right from the first till the end. It furthermore comes with vertical lattice back, which makes leaning way easier than the rest of the chairs you have come across. It has a wide armrest, making it perfect for everyone, no matter how bulky one person is. Furthermore, it is made using the weather-resistant polystyrene structure. So, now you can place it outdoor during rainy season and do not have to worry about the material deteriorating. At number 2, we have the Layriar HDPE Plastic Resin Outdoor Adirondack Chair. The next time you are making plans to get in touch with the best chair for your backyard, patio deck garden or for your lawn, the Layriar HDPE Plastic Resin Outdoor Adirondack Chair for patio deck garden is the perfect addition. This chair is available in 10 different colors, and those are fade-resistant in nature. The pigment has been formulated with antioxidants and UV inhibitors. So, the pigment particles get distributed evenly through the material for that great color fastness and vibrant color to it. The item happens to be weatherproof in nature. HDPE is a primary source of white pollution. The thermoplastic of this chair is chemically made stable and take more than 80 years of degrading. So, this recycled HDPE material is perfect for making long-lasting weather-resistant material, just like this chair. It has the classic Adirondack chair design to it, which will help you to comfortably lie on the chair for hours. It comes with low maintenance and quite easy for anyone to assemble. And finally at number 1, we have the Lifetime 60,284 Adirondack Chair. For a classic outdoor chair, you are always welcome to go for the lifetime 60,284 Adirondack Chair In here. It is available in 6 different colors and known for its classic, comfortable design. The item is constructed using weather-resistant simulated wood, and it is UV protected in nature. So, the item is not going to chip, peel, or even crack a bit. On the other hand, you might have to take some time to assemble the chair. For that, there is an assemble video for your proper guidance. Using the step-by-step mode. The chairs come handy with stain-resistant features. It is quite easy to clean, so there is no need to invest time to clean or maintain the chair for long. This is one perfect chair, which will enhance the real wood-like service and its beauty, minus the maintenance from your side. Once purchased, you won't feel like using any other chair for sure. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.